Welcome to ANS Solver question 7. Find the gradient of the line that is perpendicular to the line 2y is equal to 3 plus 5x. So, firstly, an equation of a line is written in the form y is equal to mx plus c. M being the gradient of the line. Now, since the following equation that they've given to us is not in this form because there is a coefficient of y, let's bring this equation to the original form of an equation. So how we do that is we can take the 2 to the other side of the equation. So when multiplication is taken to the other side of the equation, it becomes division. So therefore y is equal to 5x plus 3 whole thing divided by 2. So now we know that m is equal to 5 by 2. So now since we know the equation of since we know the gradient of one line, we can find the gradient of its perpendicular line by using the formula a gradient of line 1 multiplied by gradient of line 2 should be equal to -1. So we know the gradient of line 1, which is 5 by 2. So we can substitute 5 by 2 multiplied by m2 is equal to -1. Now all we need to do is solve for m2. So we can take the 2 to the other side of the equation. So it would so division when taken to the other side of the equation will become multiplication. Therefore 5m2 is equal to -2 because 2 multiplied by -1 is -2. And therefore we can also take the 5 to the other side of the equation. So when multiplication is taken to the other side of the equation becomes division. Therefore it would be m2 equals -2 by 5. Therefore this is your gradient of the line that is perpendicular to the original line that they have given in the question. Therefore this being your final answer for question 7.